If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Netflix, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have access to the email account associated with your Netflix account. Look for any verification emails from Netflix and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 2. Use the Netflix app. Open a Netflix app on your device. Sometimes, using the app can provide a smoother verification process compared to the website. Log in and see if you receive a prompt for verification. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can help resolve any issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. After clearing, restart your browser and try the verification process again. Step 4. Contact customer support. If verification continues to fail, reach out to Netflix customer support. You can do this through their help center or by using the chat feature. Provide them with details about the issue for quicker assistance. Step 5. Update your payment information. Sometimes, verification issues can be linked to outdated payment information. Log into your account and check if your payment details are current. Update them if necessary and attempt the verification process again. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Netflix. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.